Welcome to Italiano Lento. I'm so happy you're here. Before you begin, I'd like to show you how this channel works. Italiano Lento isn't a traditional language course. Instead, you'll follow Ale's story as it unfolds, one episode at a time. Every lesson, every Italian explained episode, and every story is designed to help you understand a little more, one step at a time. Each block is one complete chapter of Ale's story. Instead of watching the whole chapter at once, you'll experience it step by step. Each block includes 9 short story lessons, 9 Italian explained episodes. In Block 1, that main episode is called The Beginning. It brings all 9 story lessons together into one complete story. Each mini-episode follows one day, one place, one moment in Ale's life. You'll listen to a dialogue several times, repeat useful words and expressions, and hear the same vocabulary throughout the lesson. The repetition is intentional. It helps Italian become familiar naturally, one step at a time. Every Tuesday, a new Italian explained episode is released. We'll take a closer look at useful words and expressions, pronunciation, and little cultural details that help you understand the story even better. The goal isn't to explain every word, it's to help you notice more each time you watch. Some lessons may feel more challenging than others. For example, Dinner with Luca includes a lot of restaurant vocabulary. They're designed to be watched more than once. Each time you come back, you'll notice something new, remember a few more words, and understand a little more. Finally, you'll watch the main episode, episode 10. This is the final episode of the block, bringing all 9 story lessons together into one complete story. There are no exercises, no repetition, no explanations, just the story from beginning to end. After you've completed all 9 story lessons and their Italian explained episodes, I encourage you to watch the main episode without subtitles. It's a wonderful way to discover how much you've understood simply by following the story. You may understand much more than you expect. Now watch the same episode again. This time, turn on the subtitles if you need them. You'll also find on my channel, Learn Italian by Singing. You'll hear Italian in beautiful, calming settings, while becoming more familiar with the language through repetition and observation. They help you remember words, expressions, pronunciation, and the natural rhythm of the language. You will also find Immersive Italian. These videos are designed for relaxed listening. You'll hear Italian in beautiful, calming settings, while becoming more familiar with the language through repetition and observation. I recommend watching these videos with your full attention the first time. After that, you can play them in the background while you work, cook, drive, or simply relax. Repeated listening is one of the easiest ways to become more familiar with Italian. I hope this video helps you get the most out of Italiano Lento. Remember, just understand a little more than yesterday. There is no rush. Come back to the lessons whenever you like. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what works best for you and what doesn't. Piano piano insieme. Ciao! Have a wonderful rest of your day.